baby, I know that you don't need me.
What's good, SWANZY again? You know the name is SWANZY, back for another day to make history in the books, you feel me? I had to slow it down because some of y'all said I be talking too fast in my intro, so let me know how that was. Let me know if I gotta slow it down even more, put it in slow motion for y'all. I do be talking clear, y'all just gotta listen clear, you feel me? You gotta open up your ears, get that earwax out your ear, you feel me? But today's video, I gotta tell y'all, dang, I just had a voice. It's early in the morning, bro. It's 8:11. I wake up early every day, but I got a lot of stuff to do, so this video might be really short, and y'all been asking for it, so why not just give it to y'all? This video is on how to fix thinning dreads. Now, me, I had this problem before, as y'all seen, but I thought none of the picture was on this side. I think it's inverted, so I think this is my right, but on the camera, I think it's the left when I like post it. When you saw the thumbnail, it was left to right. I think that's right. Let me just do it normal. It was left to right. That's not right. It was left to right. There it go right there. So I had this problem before, but I didn't really speak on it because I didn't think it was like a big deal. But before we even start that, bro, this is the only do-rag that doesn't come off. But look at it. I got a split right here, and it's like all the way down. Y'all see? You ain't gotta have the best do-rag, you feel me? As long as you just cover your hair, it's not even covering. It's just one part. It's not even the whole part, so I could deal with it. I'm about to take it off so I can show y'all. Wave chat. You see, your boy got a cut. You feel? Oh yeah, I sleep with this on too. Now, so I can like, I'm gonna show y'all how to sleep with dreads. If y'all want that video, get the video to 30 likes. How to sleep with dreads is real simple, real easy, but it affects your hair a lot. Dang, I look old. Usually wear my hair like this, but as you see, my hair is not thin. I mean, not thick. It's not frizzy. It's really, really tight. It's not thick. Not none of that. It's really tight, and that's all around. Now, how did I fix this? Because I had this problem one time, like I said. Well, I had it a lot. At first, I wanted my dreads to be thick. But then again, I was like, nah, they started to get like too thick and nasty. Not nasty, they just got ugly to me. So, let me scoot back so y'all can see the whole head, you feel me? So this is what I did. It's easy, one easy step. Now, I'm going to show y'all one time on one of my dreads. It was on the purple side. Well, it don't even matter. It's easy, it's super easy. I'm going to just do it on... I don't know, because none of my dreads got frizz for real. Not no more. But I'm going to just show y'all one time. So this is what you do. Let me go get my gel. Alright, so it all starts when you retwist your hair. You got your gel. Y'all know what gel I use. You feel me? Y'all know what gel I use. I had to get this on my own. I didn't look this up, because every video that I looked up, and I had bought their hair gel that they showed me, it didn't work. So what might work for me might not work for you, but what I'm about to do to my hair is gonna work for you. Just have the right gel for your hair. So you got it. I'm about to run out. I need to buy some more. So you got the gel. You get the gel, right? This, I'm just about to grab this for a sample. Now let's say it was thick like right here. But no, let's say it was thick like this is my retwist right here. Now let's say if it was frizzy up here. You retwist the bottom, right? But you move all the way up your dread. Just like that. With the gel in your hand, you still move all the way up the dreads with the gel in your hand. You get some more. Let's just pretend I got a little more. Let's just pretend I got like medium size. Rub it in and then retwist this part. Like retwist the frizzy part. Retwist the whole dread just like that. And it's gonna rotate the hair that's around it that make it frizzy. And it's gonna be skinny. So if you want skinnier dreads or fix the frizzy dreads, you feel me, thick dreads, go ahead, that's what you're supposed to do. That's what you gotta do. And yeah, just as simple as that. So you might as well do that for all your dreads, and your dreads gonna turn out like this. You feel me? Left side, they're gonna turn out like this. Thin, nice looking dreads. It's gonna look like that you got more than what you have, to be honest. More dreads than what you have. Like I thought I had 80, I only got 65. I don't have a lot of dreads, but it looks like I have a lot of dreads. And your hairstyles turn out way better when your hair is thinner and like not so frizzy. It looks more neat. So yeah, that's all I had to say for y'all. A little quick video for y'all, a little update. I got a lot of stuff to do today, so why not just bring y'all a little quick video. But yeah, that's all I had to say. Hopefully y'all liked the video. Hopefully this video helped you. Comment down more videos y'all want me to do. And yeah, that's all I had to say. SWANZY gang, get no game, we out.
INDEPENDENT, baby, I know that you don't need me.